Can't find your pages when you need them? Don't fret. With Notion, you can add any icon next to your page title to make it stand out. And for your team's amusement, or your own, add a cover photo of your choice. Visual cues make every page unique and can make a text-heavy doc look more digestible. To add an icon, you can either go here or click on the default image next to your page in the sidebar. If you don't know which emoji to pick, just click Random and see if something catches your attention. Voila! Next time you see a spouting whale in the sidebar, you'll know that this page is the task list page. You can also add a custom icon, like your company's logo. Just click Upload an image if it's stored on your computer, or use Link to add from a URL. Fun times ahead! Now, here's how to add a cover photo. Click on Add Cover. This will randomly generate a cover image for your page. To change it, just go to Change Cover, then select an image from our own gallery. Alternatively, upload your own image directly from your computer, or by copy-pasting the image link here. This last tab allows you to search and select an image from Unsplash, a vast selection of searchable stock photos. Great! And one last thing. The shape of the cover image will change depending on your window, but we recommend images that are at least 1500 pixels wide for the best results. Looks good, right? With Notion, docs don't need to look bland.